Alright guys, we're doing race day simulation today, and right now I'm making breakfast. We got eggs, about to make some bacon, which I've never done before, some coffee, and then we gotta do 2 qualifying sessions and both motos with it correctly spaced out, just like a pro day at the Nationals would be. So I just woke up, I'm tired. But we gotta get on that grind, baby. Come on. My smoke alarm is going off from the bacon. Seriously. I don't know how. Oh, you just push the button. Alright, back to business. Morning practice. Practice qualifying 1. Starts in an hour. About to go do warm up in the gym. It's gonna be a hella day. Let's fucking go. We're back, baby. In the gym. Calm little warm up, you know what I'm saying? We got the boys out here grinding. All right, boys, we got the fresh gut seat on this thing. The G2 30% shorter throttle, which is a little clapped, I'm not gonna lie, guys. About to get geared up. Shout out my sponsors quick. Guts, G2 Ergonomics for helping your boy out.
I don't want no scrub, bitch out here tryna get next to me.
Sexy in the bitch, holla in the bitch, we turn this up.
This is me, baby girl,
I'm finna rock your shit. Just finished first time qualifying session. Track. The bike's a little muddy. Ain't gonna lie. But yeah, first qualifying session done. Ran, I think my best was a 15.1 or 15.3 or something. So should be able to improve it second practice because track will be drier. It'll be like 2 hours from now. So far so good. Let's check back in after the next one. How it goes, see if I can go any faster. I have a problem with trying too hard in the qualifying sessions, like going for it and then like blowing out corners and making mistakes. Just like holding on too tight and getting arm pump when I can just, if I just chill out and like take my time a little bit, not like a lot, but just like tone her back a little bit, I end up going faster. So it's something I gotta work on because I fucking hate qualifying and I'm not good at it. But we're gonna work it. We're working on it. That's why we're doing this. So yeah, hello. Oh my god, it smells like dirt. It's not terrible. It tastes like dirt, if I'm gonna be honest. Hella earthy. That's a little after first practice nutrition. You know what I'm saying? Type shit. Treating this just like round 1 Paula Fox Raceway. This is exactly what I'll be trying to do. I will be doing it. There's no trying. I will do it. So, hella. GoPro getting on the fucking clips, boys. All right, about to go out for my second simulation practice. Time qualifying. We got guys out there riding right now. Hopefully the track's a little more broken in, or at least less wet, less slippery. It's gonna be like just how the real pro days are, muddy first practice, and then a little less for the second one. So hopefully the track's, I can go a little faster now. About to find out though, so come on, let's get it. Second time qualifying session done. Ran a 13.9.5. Was able to go a little faster. Now we just gotta get ready for the first moto, which isn't gonna be for like 2.5 hours. Gonna get ready for the first moto, make some food and shit. Yeah, that's what we end up dropping the time by, like a little bit over a second, I think, so. Alright, just finished the first 30-minute moto, or 30 plus 2. Not gonna lie, I got my ass kicked. The track is rough as balls. I ended up dropping my lap time at the end, but it was not easy. My back is like flamed out from having to stand so much from all the bumps. We're gonna eat, gotta go back up and do the second one. This shit is not easy. That's what I signed up for, baby. Come on, gotta keep the vibes high. Simulation, baby, come on. Alright, Moto 2 about to go down, boys. Shit's getting fucking real. Got a little bit of energy. Took a 15-minute nap. About to go throw down this shit. The grind is real. Check in with you guys after the fucking moto. Alright, I'm not gonna lie, I forgot to do an update after the second moto was done. Second moto was much better than the first. I didn't end up putting the camera on for the moto. I just did it. But I ended up doing, my slowest lap time was a 117, and I think consistently I was like 114s, 115s, which was way better than the first one. The first one I was terrible. I was like 118. I think the lowest I got it was a 116. So much better second moto. And I was able to like go the entire 30 plus 2. I'm not gonna say sprint speed, but pushing the whole time. Very happy. Very happy with that. So that's good on a rough track. Track is rough. I know the video doesn't look like it's that rough, but it is rough. Trust me. It's rough. So that concludes the simulation day I did. And first YouTube video. That's pretty hype. I ain't gonna lie. Let me know what you guys think of it. I doubt anyone's even watching right now, but that's what's up, boys. J-Bo's out this hoe.